Hey y'all, I just got this concrete mixer given to me. This thing is old, but man, I think it's cool. My wife and Ashley and my son, they really don't think so. But let me show you the bottom of it, what I think's neat about it. That bar right there, they don't make stuff like that anymore. And I think it'll hold about, he was thinking it'd hold probably 4 bags of Sakrete. So I got a project coming up I'm going to film later. I'll tell you about that later, but right now we're going to wash it. Yep, just go even with it. Slimy?
I need. It's raining.
Yeah, I see that.
Can you spray my hands?
Hey! I wound up taking the drum off of it because it's going to be a whole lot easier to paint and clean. Hi y'all, it took me a while to get it finished. Sorry I didn't film because I ain't got much room on my phone. But that's what I got. All that down there I didn't paint because I'm going to re-weld and paint some stuff up on it. But thanks for watching.